Let's get right into it. Today, we're taking a look at Kwikset's new Powerbolt 240 5-button keypad electronic lock. The Kwikset Powerbolt 240 5-button keypad is available in contemporary and traditional designs and is an easy and attainable way to upgrade to an electronic door lock. This is the contemporary design, which I really like. Think of myself as a contemporary type of person, so it's fitting. You can also get the traditional design if you consider yourself more of a traditional type of person. The keypad entry makes coming and going secure and simple. Easily lock and unlock your door without having to take out your keys. Customize up to 12 user codes, 2 one-time user codes, and 1 programming code that lets you edit or delete user codes whenever you need to. So you can feel okay about giving codes out to your dog walker or your cleaner or plumber or, I don't know, I guess anyone else you kind of trust, but only enough to let them in once. For enhanced security, the Powerbolt 240 also features auto lock, so customize it to automatically lock every 30 seconds, 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or 10 minutes. Intrusion alert, so after 3 consecutive incorrect code entries, the lock sounds an alarm and disables the keypad for a whole minute to prevent anyone from tampering with it. And there's vacation mode, which temporarily disables the keypad so no one can operate your door lock while you're away. If you're like me and a high school teacher also told you that your brain was on permanent vacation mode, this feature's for us. The Powerbolt 240 also has low light code entry. Its bright display lets you easily enter your user code at night. Can we turn off those lights for a sec? They don't listen to me. Another thing I like is that the Powerbolt 240 lets you lock the door with the touch of a button. So just boop, that's it, locked. But how good is it at keeping bad guys out? Well, it's BHMA Grade 3 certified for security, durability, and finish, withstanding over 1,000 pounds of force when attempting to pry the deadbolt off the door. It takes a lot of bad guys to apply that much force, and it comes with a limited lifetime warranty. So even if you live, let's say, another 150 years, which who knows, science is moving fast, this thing will still be covered. When you're like 184 years old. And if you didn't just do some quick math, yes, I'm 34. But Mark, am I always gonna have to be changing these batteries? Well, the batteries last around 12 months. So if by always you mean once a year, then yes, but that's a long time. And if you can't be bothered to change the batteries after 12 months, well, you can always use a traditional key, the way our ancient ancestors did. To recap, the Powerbolt 240 is easy to install, fits on all standard doors, and can replace existing door hardware with just a Phillips head screwdriver. No hardwiring needed, which is great. You YouTube perusers out there may notice in your perusal that I've also made a video explaining exactly how to install this guy on your door. But you can also peruse your way to the Built app, free in the App Store and Google Play, for interactive instructions. Takeaways? Well, the Powerbolt 240 keypad electronic lock is a nice mix of advanced security, cool features, and good looks, which is also how many people describe you as this lock's proud owner. For more info and our simple installation guide, visit kwikset.com.